YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video. And today we got something special, something that I've been waiting on. I wasn't waiting on it long because I didn't even like really expect to get this hat, if you know what I mean. But you know, we finna discuss this when we get into this video. So without further ado, let's get into today's unboxing. First things first, if you've been on this channel, you already know what's first and what's coming. As you can see on my head, we finna get into the fitted of the day. Today I got on the Sugar Shack, this was called, yeah, Hatclub Sugar Shack collection, the Florida Marlins. Check out that pen, one of the best pens. That patch is crazy actually. With the teal bottom. Dang, focus on there. Not the teal, I'm tripping, y'all. Apricot, I'm tripping. With the apricot bottom, y'all. I'm tripping. Flat batter, man, got that lavender and peach on there. You know what I'm saying? Peach or apricot, whatever you want to call it, they about the same thing. This was a super clean hat, bro. I saw it on their website. Well, not on the website, but you know how they drop their flyers on IG. And one of the girls had it on in the picture. She had the pen exactly right here. And I was like, hold on, man. That is some heat. So as soon as it came out, I was on that website, clicked it, website froze up. There was so many people on there. This is one of the biggest drops that they ever did. Website crashed. I ended up still getting mine. Them comments, bro, them people were pissed off. Like, I would have been pissed off if I missed a gem like this too. Man, this is like a, it matched the shirt too, you already know. I got a fit on my page like that. Go ahead and follow me at Dalen the GOAT. Got this matching, but I would have been pissed off too if I missed on like a hat like this, bro. But they did like 2 drops. They had this and then like a lavender and then the apricot one. But yeah, it was solid drop for real. But all right, so how I got this hat. So as y'all know, the Ox Pack came out about a week or 2 ago, depending on when you're watching this video. And ooh, we swimming. But you know, Ox Pack came about a week or 2 ago, and I ended up ordering 2 graduation Cubs in the 7.5, and then the next day the Houston Astros Scarface, as y'all seen on the previous videos. But one of those 7.5s wasn't a 7.5. Hatclub sent me a 7/1/4, and it was tagged 7.5 all over the hat. So all the stickers said 7.5, but on the stitch on this side said 7/1/4, and I was wondering why it fit so tight until I looked inside. So basically I posted on my IG, tag Hatclub, and my guy David at Straight Cap, he DM'd me. He was like, you know what I'm saying, we trying to do with the hat. I was like, man, knew he probably had some heat on, so I was like, we trying to do a trade, cause it'll be better if I could get a hat that fit my head, cause I was just doubling up on the graduation Cubs, you know what I'm saying, just to rock one and stock one. So he showed me a couple hats he had. One of them caught my eye, so I was like, for sure, I'm gonna have to grab this. I'm gonna snag this one, cause I know this is one of them hats that people are looking for, you feel me? So it grew on me like after I ordered it. So we did a smooth trade, everything worked out. Shout out to my guys over there, legit business at Straight Cap. I'm gonna put the @ somewhere down here, and then I'm gonna link it in the description too. So make sure y'all tap in with Straight Cap and Straight Cap 2. Legit business all the time. I've been buying from them since the summer 2021. So make sure y'all go tap in. But without further ado, we're gonna have to open this box up. Alright. Got my trusty knife, my box cutter. Shit. Oh man. Dang, let me get the box. Let me get the box open. Let me get the box. Let's get the box. Yeah. Gotta get some B-roll up in there. You feel me? But yeah, open this bad boy up. It actually came early today, but it's like nighttime right now. So. Ooh. Without further ado, Gotta open it bad, boy. Let me show it. Well, I'm gonna show the hat first. Bam. We got the Hatclub, Black Icy, the Mountains. We got the Mountains. This is a super clean hat, bro. It got metallic stitching around the mountains, the iceberg, if you will, the baseball code, and look at this patch though. Look at that patch. That patch is immaculate. That's immaculate patchwork right there. Then we got the Hatclub patch. This is our first time seeing like a silver one, cause you know they kind of be like bronze, goldish. Silver Hatclub patch, blue bottom, white guts. What else they put me in here? This is one of my favorite pens right now. Let me open it. This is one of my favorite pens. Shout out to Straight Cap. Great customer service. This is one of my favorite pens right now. I'm trying to get it. Is that low? Hold on. Why is it trying to focus on my? But yeah, there you go. This is one of my favorite pens in the game right now. I wish I had like a up close of this thing. Wish I could do like a up close. Actually, yeah, one of the dopest pens out right now, in my honest opinion. Dang, come on, focus. Immaculate pen work. I really love this pen. Shout out Straight Cap. I know I'm gonna say this 50 times in the video, but shout out to them. And last but not least, it also comes with the Straight Cap sticker. As I said again, amazing customer service. Make sure y'all tap in for real. Legit work, as y'all can see. Legit. I'm trying to tell y'all. Yeah, but like I was saying, y'all, this hat, like, the camera really not doing it justice. You're gonna have to like look on my IG or something, but this hat, I'm definitely gonna wear it soon. Right now, I'm gonna keep it DS because I want to un-DS it right now. So I ain't gonna curve it in there right now, but just know this one gonna get pulled out for real. It's just one of those hats for real. Like you can't beat that. Black, ice cold, silver pen. Come on now. Use you some pens that match this, and you gonna be in there for real. Oh yeah, I forgot to talk about the back. The back, we got that black two-tone. It's like two-tone, you feel me? On the inside, what they say is the outside, but you got your icy blue, and then you got your black flat batterman, white guts. Is this Bangladesh? Bangladesh. It's important for me it's important for me now because them China hats, they feel so different. Like, I believe this is Bangladesh too. No, this is China. Some China hats fit big, some China hats fit smaller. I know I got my cereal pack cups. It fits small. Like, it's just, I don't know what it is with some of them, but my graduation cups, it fit just right. But this one is Bangladesh. Ooh, almost like a 714. But I don't know, with some hats, probably like pertaining on the material, it feel way different. But this just fire. I can't wait to make an outfit for these. I'm definitely gonna throw this on. But yeah, man, thank y'all for tuning in. This has been another unboxing with your boy Dalen the GOAT. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications. We are on the road to 1,000 followers. Right now, as you seen this, we'll probably be at what, 908, 910 on YouTube. So make sure y'all subscribing and sharing this thing, y'all. We got something big coming at 1,000, so make sure y'all tapped in. And with that being said, peace.